Hey y'all, we're in the home stretch of summer vacay with a final on-location episode here in Atlanta. I'm Fucci and welcome to Not So Tiny Kitchen, Big Taste. Today we're making summer sliders because summer is all about great food, and who doesn't love a really good burger? Especially when you can have more than one. So fire up your grill or your grill pan and get ready to bring it. So what you're gonna need is ground chuck, mini hamburger buns, lettuce, onion, tomato, Havarti cheese, an egg, oil, salt, pepper, and for your tiny kitchen slider sauce, mayonnaise, ketchup, Dijon mustard, and cumin. You'll also need a grill or grill pan, mixing bowl, spatula, basting brush, and a sharp knife. Big Taste comes in small packages. Well, nothing could be closer to the truth than when you're talking about a really good slider. But if you're like me, you've probably had plenty of average, ho-hum hamburgers that are either bland, overcooked, or even worse, both. No! Well, I'm gonna show you how to up your game by using just a couple new tricks to get a perfectly seasoned, perfectly juicy summer slider. We're gonna start by seasoning our meat. Now I've cracked an egg in a large mixing bowl. We'll just whisk it up. And to that, we're gonna add our ground beef. I'm using an 80-20, which means it has 20% fat, and you need that fat to get a really juicy burger. We're gonna season that up with some salt and pepper, and then we'll mix it up with our hands. Now the egg's gonna serve as a binder, which means it will keep the meat together while it's cooking on the grill, so you don't have to worry about it breaking apart. We will form our patties. You want them a little bit on the thicker side and a little bit wider than our bun because it will shrink a little bit when we cook it, and we want to make sure that it fills up the entire bun. So once we've got our patties formed, we're going to brush it with a little bit of oil. I'm using avocado oil, but you can also use vegetable oil. We're going to season it with a little bit more salt, pepper. Now we're only going to season it on one side at this point because we'll season it on the other side when we get it back to the grill. Next, we're going to put a little avocado oil onto the buns because we're going to throw these on the grill. We'll slice our onion into 1/4-inch slices. We're going to throw these on the grill as well, so we will brush them with a little avocado oil. That'll keep them from sticking. A little salt and pepper. And then we will place these on the plate with the hamburgers. Next, we'll slice our tomato into 3 beautiful slices. And now, we can trek way back to the grill. Now we've got a really hot grill pan. Of course, you can also use your backyard grill. You just want to brush it with a little bit of the oil. That'll keep the burgers from sticking. And then we will throw our burgers on the grill, seasoned side down. We'll brush the other side with a little bit of avocado oil. Hit it with some salt and pepper. Now you don't want to flip your burgers more than once. Don't keep flipping them. That's what causes a dry burger. So let them sit there. Be patient. They will cook. We're going to throw our onions onto the grill as well. Now you also want to make sure that the meat that you're throwing on the grill doesn't come straight from the refrigerator. Otherwise, it's going to be cold in the middle and warm on the outside. So let it come up to room temperature before throwing it on the grill. Now these burgers are just a little less than 1 inch thick. So we'll cook it on the first side for about 4 minutes before we give it a flip. Oh, perfect. Flip our onions as well. We'll throw our cheese on top. Now I'm using Havarti. It's a great melting cheese, but you can use any type of cheese that you like. Now once the cheese starts to melt, our burgers are just about done. Now I've gotten a clean plate. Just go ahead and place our burgers on the plate. We'll also take our onions off, and then we'll throw our buns onto the grill. Now once the buns are all nice and toasted, we'll take everything way back to the counter and we'll put it all together. To make our slider sauce, we've got a little bit of mayonnaise, ketchup, Dijon mustard, and a hint of cumin. We'll stir that up. We'll throw a little dollop on each beautifully toasted bun. We're gonna place our lettuce on the bottom. I'm doing this because it'll prevent the bottom bun from getting soggy from all those great juices from the burger. Next is the tomato. And then our beautifully seasoned, beautifully juicy burger. Then we'll top it with just a couple of the rings of our grilled onions. And we'll plate it up. So check these out, y'all, the perfect summer slider. Hey, go get the recipe for these. It's available on our website. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And when you try these, please let us know about it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Fucci, reminding you that if I can make summer sliders in a kitchen that's not so tiny, you can make it in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen, Big Taste. Mom, you can come get your sliders now!
Bring it!
Hey y'all, we're in the home stretch of or your grill pan, and get ready to bring it. I think I went through puberty right then. Bring it.